Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am at behind of my house. I'm going to fly this tube plane and let's see how it flies. Okay, so guys, I have got the plane here. Now let's see the test. So if we know how to make this, you have to fly it at the thick layer. You see the thick layer, ma? Okay, you have to fly it at the thick layer. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, it flies so good. Bro. Take number 2. Okay, guys. So take number 2. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Now the last and final. Take number 3. And then finally I'm going to fly the plane. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's a cancel charge because the wind is there. So retry. And guys, by the way, look at the beautiful sunset. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to teach you how to make the plane. And also guys, there is one more way to fly this plane. I'll show you. So the another way is you take the layer and then you just hold it like this and then you just spin. Okay, spin it and then you just let it go. I'll do that one more time in order to show you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You can also fly like that. So in order to fly good, you just need to roll it. I just roll it, okay? So guys, we need not A4 size. If you want A4 size, you can use it, but it won't fly good and it will be very big. So you need to use the notebook paper. I'm using my old book, so it's okay. So you just need to tear this type, and then when you tear it, you will get this side, the turn piece. You need to just tear this. In order to tear it, I will show you how. First, flip it backwards. Then you flip it like this. So then after that, you have to crease it nicely. After that, you open it. And then you just tear in. You see this crease? You have to tear in that crease. So I tore little bit, and now we just need to tear the full thing. After that, you'll get the paper like this. Then first you fold it in half. After that you open, but only in one side, not in the other side. So then after that you crease it. After that you crease it, you fold it again till here. Then you get like this. After that you have to fold it back. But you will have this layer. You have to only fold that layer, and then you just need to fold that layer. Wait guys, actually you shouldn't fold one layer. You should actually fold 2 layers. Then we have a paper like this. Then we fold it here. And then we just press it. And now we'll get the paper like this. After that, you need to flip the paper over and then you need to find like a wooden surface. I'm going for this wooden surface. And then after that, you should just hold both of the sides and then just rub it. After that, you just fold it up. Don't fold it like this. We fold it like this. Then when you fold it like this, you can see a thing like this. So after that, when you fold it, you just put this thing on top of the layer like like this, and then after that, look, you will see like this, and then you just connect these two layers, and then just do like this. You can also put some glue here and also here, so it will stick. After that, after we fold that, we will just roll it like this. After that, your plane is ready. Peace out.